Are you moving?
If everybody knew about this, moving would be simple.
We support you.
There are common pet peeves or customer mistakes that can slow down your move.
Half-packed boxes will have loose items.
It's harder to protect items if the box isn't packed properly.
Boxes crash, truck loading gets chaotic, and things don't stack properly, so please fill your boxes.
Last-minute changes, new pickup and delivery times, and extra stops should be avoided.
It matters because dispatch and crew scheduling is tight. Last-minute changes like these can cause extra time and money for you.
This is important. We need a decision maker on site.
If there is no one to answer, where does this go, or is this coming, things can get confusing.
Movers either wait to find where things go, which costs you money, or they guess where things go, and that causes mistakes. Customers say, "We thought packing was included," or "Can you take these extra boxes?"
This can create conflict and cause delays. It's also a liability if not documented.
We need to know if there's a loading zone, stairs, is the elevator broken, is there gated access? We need to know what to expect when we arrive.
It matters because these situations drastically change the time needed and increase the risk of injury or damage. We need to keep things together. We need bags for hardware, cords, remotes, bed bolts, or small, much needed items.
This matters because parts can get lost, reassembly of beds and furniture slows down, and frustration rises.
Animals and kids, we've seen it all. We've seen dogs running in and out of houses, cats hiding in closets, kids playing on stairs.
Unfortunately, we don't pack kids and we don't pack animals. Running around the area causes safety issues and slows down the workflow.
Sometimes clients micromanage a crew. We love the idea of you helping out, but giving constant directions, hovering, or the second guessing slows movers down and can create tension.
The next time you move, turn these problems into solutions. Here at Bailey's Moving and Storage, we dot the I's and cross the T's to make sure your move is smooth and problem-free.
We support you.